Alright, what's stewing and brewing in Miss Katie's kitchen camp kitchen? Today, July something, 2000, July 8th. We are at Stephen Foster, Old Kentucky Home State Park. So here's what's stewing and brewing. Mr. Patience pouring we're heating up the hot water because I forgot to bring a separate pot. Camp is all about improvising, isn't it, dear?
Yes.
So we're heating up the hot water. That's for whatever we might need it for. And I love that I got this insulated pitcher at Goodwill, and we use it all the time at home and in camp. So it just keeps our water hot for hours, really, many hours. So I've got bacon going on, and we've got our Ezekiel bread we're going to toast. I've got several tips I could share with y'all about camping, but probably not at this time on this video. We've got our farm fresh eggs and our preservative-filled potatoes. And little Miss Homemaker's helping out, and she's going to show you in another video about our spices and seasonings. So we've got this going on. We're going to make our camp coffee here in a minute. So just be inspired and go camping. Get outdoors.